Hello again, YouTube. During my recent visit to the 2025 Bristol Classic Motorcycle Show, I popped into the stand of the Westland Motorcycle Club. Wonderful club, do some fantastic social events, runs and so on and so forth. But for this year only, they've had to consolidate their activities somewhat. So where previously there would have been the Coast to Coast run and the Spirit of the 60s run and stuff like that, they've had to sort of pare it down into one event, which is going to be referred to as the Spirit of Motorcycling. I strongly suggest you Google Westland Motorcycle Club and their Spirit of Motorcycling, because they run some wonderful events, and I for one shall endeavour to attend. Maybe I'll see you there. Bye for now.